Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's India Gate Biryani, Kolkata Biryani. So let's get started. So this one is the introductory pack wherein you get India Gate classic rice of 200 gram worth ₹50 with this pack. And this is 120 gram Biryani Masala pack. MRP is 125 rupees, but you get some discount on Amazon. And in the pack we get Biryani Masala and a seasoning mix. Okay, so the rice which come with the pack is one of the India Gate finest rice, and rinse the basmati rice under the cold water until the water turns clear. Now soak the rice in the water for 30 minutes and then drain. In a large pot, bring 4 cups of water to boil. Now add salt and whole spices like cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, and add the soaked rice. Cook until it's about 70% done and then drain the rice and set it aside. Now in a pan, empty the biryani masala. To this, add the seasoning mix and then add 100 ml of water. Give it a good mix now. Now add 250 gram of chicken or veggies of your choice. Cover and cook until the chicken and veggies is cooked through and the oil separates from the gravy. This should take about 15-20 minutes. And at last I am going to add few fried paneer cubes. Mix well and keep this aside. Now the last step is layering. In a heavy bottom pan, layer rice at the bottom and then spread the cooked gravy evenly over the rice. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and mint leaves and then repeat the process. Rice, gravy, leaves. Again repeat the process. Rice, gravy, leaves. Now cover the pan with a tight fitting lid. See here, I have to seal this also, so I'm using the dough to seal this. Now simmer and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. This will allow the flavors to melt and the rice to finish cooking. Gently fluff the biryani with a fork. Now serve it hot with raita, and this pack is sufficient for 3 people. So coming to the taste, it is actually good. It's not overly spicy. If you are a spice lover, then add couple of green chilies also. But I really love the flavor of this biryani. It's definitely a tasty and worth considering way to make biryani. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.